Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to boost Facebook post. So first of all, open your Facebook page, and for example I want to post this post, so I'm gonna clicking on post. Choose the results you would like to see from your ad. You can let Facebook select the most relevant goal based on your settings, or you can choose goal manually by clicking on change, and now you can select any option or any goal from this list and then click on save and click on this button option, and now you can select book now button, learn more now button, shop now button, sign up button, or send message button. And you can turn on special ad category by toggle oning this option. And messaging apps, you can select Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and to add WhatsApp here you want to connect by clicking on connect option. And now you can change or edit the welcome message by clicking on edit. Here you can change the welcome message, and you can change frequently asked questions from this list, and here you will get preview and then click on save. And you can change your audience by clicking on this pencil icon. Now you can select audience, gender, age, location, detailed targeting, and then click on save. Scroll down and select here your boosting duration, and you can change the end date, and you can adjust your total budget here, and you can change boosted post placements. You can deselect Instagram, Messenger, and now finally click on add payment method. Now you can edit your business and tax information by clicking on edit and select debit or credit card and click on next. Put here your credit card or debit card informations and click on save, and then you will get the final option to boost your post. So all you have to need, just enter here your card details and then click on save, and then you have to click on boost now, and that's how you can boost Facebook post. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.